Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute classic from 1965, written by Bob Dylan, but this is going to be the Byrds version of Mr. Tambourine Man. Great song, 3 chords, so a great one for you beginners. A few noodly bits here and there, I'm sure you're going to like it. Don't be scared, I want you to get stuck in with this one. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, so the intro, first off, of Mr. Tambourine Man goes... And the way we do that is we're holding down a D chord, normal standard tuning for the Byrds Mr. Tambourine Man. What we're going to do, we're going to play the D string open, and then keep your D chord. We're going to play the G string, and then back to the D string again. So we got this. And then with our little finger, we're going to reach up to the 4th fret of the G string. Then lift that off, which brings you back to the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. So recap, up to this point we've got... And then we play the G string open. And then what we're going to do, we're going to have our little finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And then go back to the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. So let's give you a little recap up to this point. We've got... so far. Then we play the D string open, and then we play the 1st finger, 2nd fret of the D string twice. So let's give you a little recap of what we got so far. So we're back into a D chord, and we've got... one more time. And then, just to add to that, we're going to go twice on the D string, open, and then once on the 2nd fret of the D string. So we go. So all together then, that gives you the whole thing. And then repeat. And then we're ready for the chords. So the chords we're going to need are G major. I'll bring that up to the screen for you so you can see. That is the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. And then we've got at the bottom, we've got our little finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And then we're going to have our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Okay, so that's our G major chord. Then we've got an A major. That is 3 in a line, 2nd fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd fret of the B string with our 3 fingers, first 3 fingers. And then we've got the D chord, D major, so 3 major chords there, which is the 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the E string, and our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Okay, now, verse. So strum pattern we're going to use will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Go through that a few times. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Right. First chord, so we've got G to the A, and then D back to G, D, G, A. What we're going to do with the A is quite interesting there. We're going to put our little finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. So we've got so let's go through that again. So we've got G, then to A, and then to D, and back to G, and then D, and then G, then to B, A, little finger off, little finger on G, then to A, D, to G, and then D, G, and A, and then D. That is, we're going to add a little finger for that last bit when we do the D on the 3rd fret of the E string. So we get a so let's go through that again. So the chords stay the same all through the song. So let's go through that one more time. So we've got G, A, D, and then to G, and then D, G, and then to A, little finger, G, then to A, and then D, and up to G, and then D, G, and then A, and then D. So there we have it, Mr. Tambourine Man by the Byrds. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, guys, take great care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.